Experience a gadget revelation that will leave you speechless. Fasten your seatbelts as we take you on a journey through the forefront of technology. The Lucid ONE AI-planning robotic arm is a groundbreaking innovation poised to revolutionize the world of robotics. Deploying the Amber Lucid ONE incorporates structural verification of motors, drives, reducers, and manipulators while requiring no prior knowledge of the complex underlying technology. The cutting-edge AI visual ranging from inertial measurement technology will enable you to control the arm with your instincts. But that's not all. The Lucid ONE boasts motion capture auto-correction, guaranteeing flawless precision while you simply follow your instincts. It also supports any programming language through UDP protocol, eliminating the need to learn a new one. Ever wondered how you could achieve the perfectly manicured lawn without breaking a sweat? Let's meet the Navimow, which takes lawn mowing to a new level with its innovative features. With its perimeter wire-free technology, it creates virtual boundaries and utilizes intelligent route planning to ensure your lawn is flawlessly mowed, even in tricky spots. No more missed patches or uneven cuts. Navimow's precision is unmatched, and hold on, there's a delightful surprise. Its vision fence sensor guides it through complex yards, easily conquering edges and fence lines. You also have control thanks to the simple software that allows you to schedule trims for different parts of your yard. Have you ever left your laundry in the washer only to discover it hours later, drowning in that unmistakable musty smell? Enter Eeva, your laundry's new best friend, with a groundbreaking solution that lets you forget about switching loads ever again. Eeva's sleek design slides seamlessly into your home, with no external vent is required. But wait, there's more. It includes multiple wash settings for any type of laundry, including standard, delicate, and heavy duty. It goes above and beyond, employing both spin and heat drying to ensure your laundry emerges ready for action. Curious about a bike that seamlessly conquers various terrains without any disruption? Meet the FUELL Flluid 3 and 3S eBikes, your ultimate companion for an unparalleled cycling experience. It has a 750-watt high-performance engine and a 7-speed adaptive automated gearbox, providing seamless and smooth automatic shifting that adjusts to terrain. Plus, rest easy knowing that the Fluid is fortified against theft with its embedded smart security and connectivity system. You can control and monitor the bike remotely through the FUELL Rider's smartphone app, deterring thieves and staying informed about your bike's status. Imagine being able to back up your data simply by charging your device. That's correct, MemKeeper allows you to create backups daily without worrying about making it a habit. Given the growing privacy concerns about cloud-based backup options, it protects your data with AES 256 encryption, the highest encryption standard available. Its offline storage keeps your data private and out of the hands of hackers and unauthorized users. And with 256 GB, 512 GB, and an astounding 1 TB, it ensures effortless and seamless storage for a clutter-free and effective digital life, whether for sentimental family images or mission-critical professional files. Have you ever wished for a way to keep track of your belongings effortlessly? Bid farewell to the anxiety of misplacing your essentials with the revolutionary Ace card. Over 1 billion devices in Apple Find My and Android Find My device network are at your service, all through a simple encrypted Bluetooth signal. No data or network is required. It's like magic. This product can transform into your smart business card with an embedded NFC tag for effortless networking. You can even tailor your profile and share your information seamlessly with a simple NFC tap. Meet the revolutionary Leap Wireless SSD, the ultimate solution for your storage needs. It has a boggling speed of 2400 megabytes per second that can transfer jaw-dropping 4K videos faster than you can blink. With an astonishing 14 times faster performance than traditional HDDs, Leap takes data transfer to a new dimension. But hold on, the excitement doesn't stop there. It enables users to wirelessly exchange data with other devices such as cell phones, tablets, and computers. This capability benefits individuals who need to transfer data while on the go and do not have access to cables or additional devices. Are you tired of the chaotic mess on your desk? Look no further with the LeMat Magnetic Fixer 2.0. With the magnetic accessories, simply throw your devices, cables, pens, papers onto the LeMat, experiencing the magic of instant orderliness. This wool organizer with a wood magnetic fixator works with any desk mat, making it a perfect combination of style and utility. You can also discover the power of connectivity with 3 embedded USB Type-C ports in wooden magnetic mat fixator. Behold the boring lamp, where innovation meets versatility. Its magnetic modular design revolutionizes installation and replacement, while the slide rail system empowers you to adjust its height with a simple glide. With a mesmerizing 360-degree rotation, this lamp grants you the power to command light like never before, precisely where you desire it. Moreover, you can transform it into a monitor light bar, elegantly perched above your screen to save space and redefine your workspace dynamics. With a CRI of 98+, you can enjoy consistent flicker-free lighting that protects your vision. Current vertical farming systems are frequently wasteful and inefficient. No need to worry about connectivity issues, pumps, fans, and apps, and welcome the future of efficient, nature-inspired cultivation. GardenStack revolutionizes vertical farming by seamlessly integrating the age-old wisdom of Allah irrigation with modern technology. Wondering how it works? It's simple. Just fill it up from the top and watch your plants thrive with optimized, hyper-efficient irrigation. The innovative design also features a central tube that allows plant roots to draw water they need, eliminating worries for over or underwatering. Step into a world where elegance and environmental responsibility merge seamlessly with the Luvia water filtration pitcher. The special feature on the Luvia lies in its catalytic carbon foam filter, a revelation in water filtration tech. With its revolutionary substrate, this filter transforms water purification into an art, efficiently capturing impurities with unparalleled precision. In addition, this pitcher is made of chemically toughened 3mm borosilicate glass. Its eye-catching style will also make it look home in any setting. Let Luvia greet you every morning with a refreshing glass of water free from any hint of plastic. Dive into the carefree beach days with the Surf Sheet. With its ingenious patent design featuring upright sand guards, you can lounge without the hassle of sand sticking to everything. Yes, everything. No more sandy sandwiches or gritty gadgets ruining your fun. Windy day worries? Fear not. The Surf Sheet comes with 4 sandbags to anchor down the sides, ensuring your blanket stays put and your enjoyment remains uninterrupted. This product works on land too. It can instantly transform into an outdoor picnic mat with robust galvanized tent stakes to keep the sides in place. Thank you for coming along with us on this fascinating adventure through the world of the coolest gadgets. Stay updated with the latest tech marvels by subscribing to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on our next adventure. We'll see you soon.